This is Frane Selak. He was born in Croatia in 1929. People called him unlucky, but actually he was very lucky, or perhaps both. It depends how you look at it. In 1962, his train derailed and fell into a river. 17 people drowned. Frane did not. He floated downstream, hat still on his head. A year later, he boarded a small airplane. The door broke open. He was sucked out into the sky. He landed in a haystack. The plane crashed. Everyone else died. Frane walked home. Over the next 4 decades, he survived. A bus sliding into a river. 2 cars catching fire. Another car exploding. And a plunge off a cliff, which ended in a tree. He began to expect disaster, but he also began to expect survival. In 2003, he bought a lottery ticket. For the first time in years, he won $1 million. With the money, he purchased a house on the coast. He gave most of it away to relatives and friends. He kept enough for a comfortable chair, a small garden, and a supply of cigarettes. He said he did not chase luck. Luck chased him, usually at high speed. Frane Selak died peacefully in 2016. He was 87 years old. And for once, nothing dramatic happened.